We all know that habits either make or break our lives, but it's only when we are at the end of our lives that we get to of those tiny daily habits. Till then, of small choices. Should I or should I go for a run? Should I spend it on something nice? Friends or watch TV? So on and so. If you choose option, your life will look one. If you choose option 2, your life will look. You can actually make the same choice for an entire year. The year, you'll end up in a completely different place where you would have ended up. Other choice. Except with a video. This is a guy. He wakes up and checks his phone. He spends an hour scrolling through social media news. After that, he makes himself a cup of coffee, a run. This is another guy who does the exact same things as the first guy for the. But after that, he takes his phone and spends half an hour games and watching reels. Then he makes himself a cup of coffee and sits down to work. That's working. Fast forward this video by 5 years. First guy has run almost 65 days a year, 5 years, which means 1,800 times. He is very fit and has even participated in a few half marathons. His discipline and consistency have also helped him become very successful at work. He now works as a project manager in a good company and earns 6 figures. He has also gained a lot of social media followers because of his fitness journey. His friends and family respect and admire him. They're proud of the man he has become. Now let's take a look at the second guy. In 5 years, he has worked almost 365 days a year, which means he has spent more than 1,800 hours in front of the screen. He has gained a lot of weight because of too many cups of tea and lack of exercise. His health is not good. He has high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and type 2 diabetes. He has never participated in any sports event and doesn't even know how to swim. His career has also suffered because of his lack of discipline and focus. He works as a low-level manager in a mediocre company and earns barely enough to survive. His family and friends don't invite him to parties anymore because he ruins the mood with his depressing energy. The sad part is both these guys are the same person. It's just that at some point in their lives, they started making different choices every day, which led them to these vastly different outcomes. One chose the phone over running, video games over exercise, tea over coffee, and work over socializing. And that's why he became the second guy. Here's the thing. We can't change the past, but we can start today. We can start making better choices and building better habits. We might not see the results immediately, but if we stick to it for long enough, we will get there eventually. And that's what we mean when we say it's the small things that matter. It's like this quote by Robin Sharma. The little things you do every day matter. They have an I'm compounding effect on your life. If you do the right little things consistently, they will make you a better, happier, and more successful human being. If you do the wrong little things, they will drag you down to misery and mediocrity. It's all in the small things. So here's the deal. Pick up your phone and close this video right now if you're still watching it. If you've made it this far, I'm guessing you're interested in improving yourself. So here's what I want you to do. Close this video, go to the gym right now, and start working out. I promise you won't regret it. Trust me, I'm a professional. Okay, assuming you won't be going to the gym right now, here's another option. Go for a run. If you can't do that, go for a walk. If you can't do that, then sit down and meditate. Whatever you do, don't spend another minute on social media. Don't play video games or watch reels. Instead, go do something productive, something that will add value to your life. And if you can do that for the next 365 days, I guarantee you'll be a better, happier person. Who knows? Maybe you'll even make a video about it and inspire others to do the same. That's all for today. See you in the next one.